Meanwhile, we're tracking growing outrage in Turlock tonight. Two sexually violent predators may be released in the community.
ABC 10's Gabriel Porras has more on the pushback.
From the streets to the podium.
We must prioritize the protection of our residents and our children over the rights of a four-time convicted sexual predator.
Turlock families and elected officials made their voices heard about the possible release of convicted child molesters Kevin Scott Gray and Timothy Roger Weathers.
I mean, it's absolutely terrible. I mean, no child or anybody should ever experience sexual violence.
Kevin and Timothy have forced several of the most innocent people, kids, to experience just that. The two, convicted of molesting a combined 7 kids in Stanislaus County, Southern California, and the state of Wyoming, were recommended by Liberty Health to be released from the state hospital and into the Turlock community.
There's no street lights in the area, and it creates a very dangerous environment. It's also next door to a bar, and we know that alcohol has been a predecessor for Gray to perpetrate on children. So how did Liberty Health and the Department of State Hospitals make their decision to place Gray here?
Liberty Health did not respond to a request for comment. The Department of State Hospital said it couldn't comment directly on the matter because of privacy laws. While officials haven't identified the home where the two would be placed, neighbors believe it's along Central Avenue, next door to Erica Farmer and her family's home.
And I homeschool my daughter here, especially the fact that my children are in the range of both of these pedophiles' fetishes, and we're not going to allow this to happen.
That's why she joined dozens of others in a protest outside the property that state officials were expected to visit Friday. But just after noon, Turlock Police Chief Jason Hedden joined the protest lines and told organizers,
"At the request of the homeowner and Liberty Healthcare, the site visit will be rescheduled."
Despite the canceled visit,
there is absolutely no reason in a civilized society we should take the risk of Gray making one more child his victim.
Law enforcement officials and neighbors have one message.
We're going to fight this. There's no way that's going to happen.
In Turlock, Gabriel Porras, ABC 10.
The Stanislaus County DA says he did find some factors that might disqualify the location where the court planned to place the two predators. Stay with ABC 10 for updates.